Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Princess BSN, major in English Block 1A. For this activity, I will use sharing my personal letters to my body. In this letter, I will express my gratitude, my struggle, and my hope for myself. I will also connect it to the body image theory, which explain how the way we see and feel about our body affect our confidence, emotion, and even motivational as a student. Hello, my dear body. I want to begin by saying thank you. Thank you for being with me every single day of my life. You are the reason I can wake up each morning, walk to class, write my notes, and everything simple moments with my friends. I know I often take you for granted, but the truth, it's you are my partner in everything I do as a student, and for what I'm deeply grateful. But also, I need to be honest with you. There are many times when I struggle with how I saw you. I look in the mirror and feel insecure. I compared you to others, especially to the perfect image. I saw you in social media. I question if you're good enough, and sometimes choose don't made me feel small, weak, or unworthy. Still, in choose difficult moments, I realize something's important. My worth is just about how I look. It is also about how I live, how I learn, and how I grow. And that is where body image theory come in. This theory explain how the day we see the feel about our bodies can affect our emotion, our confidence, and even our motivation. I see this connection so clearly and in my life as a student. One day when I feel good about you, I have more energy, more confidence, and I can participate in class with hesitation. I can talk my classmate, I can recite, and I can express myself without fear. But on the day when I focus too much on my insecurities, I lose my motivation, I feel distract. I stop myself from doing my best, not because I cannot do, I adapt you, my own body. Body also, I want to recognize the little victories we had together. You cried, you cried me through sleepless night of studying long days filled with activities, even stressful exam that tested both my mind and my strength. Even when I felt tired, you never give up. You stood firm, reminding me that I am stronger than I think. So today, buddy, I want to make a promise. I promise to be kinder to you. I promise to take better care of you, to eat healthier, to sleep early, and to give you the rest you deserve. After long nights of study, I do not wish not perfect anymore. What I wish for strength, health, and resilience. I want, I want, I want, I want, I want you to work um, together, not against each other, as I go through my journey as a student and prepare for the future ahead. Please forgive me the times I dumped you, and thank you for your strength, for your patience, and for carrying me through every challenge even when I was ungrateful. From now on, I will try my best to love you anymore, to respect you, and to celebrate you for what truly are my long life partner. In the end, my letter to my body, this is active remind me that taking care of myself is not only physical but also emotional and mental. By connecting my own experience as a student to body image theory, I realized that the way I see myself influenced not just because my confidence but also my performance in school. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye-bye.